Only 43% of American adults, according to a report by the National Endowment for the Arts, read any type of literature not required for work or school. That's disappointing given that reading is common among some of the world's top achievers. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, Mark Cuban 3 hours per day, and Warren Buffett 500 pages each day. Bill Gates is reading half a book a week. A successful digital marketer must have an interest and a voracious appetite for information. Many of the world's most renowned marketers have written various digital marketing books and guides that provide this knowledge. Every few months, the digital marketing landscape changes, and whether you're focused on inbound marketing, social media management, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, personal branding, or traditional advertising, you have to stay current. If you're searching for good digital marketing books to read, here are our top choices in 2021. 1. Hitmakers, The Science of Popularity in an Age of Digital Distraction by Derek Thompson. In Hitmakers, Atlantic senior editor Derek Thompson investigates the magic of why we like what we like and how mass cultural market economics shape our entire lives. Derek Thompson discusses how marketers should be aware of the content they're creating and what consumers will like. 2. What Customers Crave, How to Create Relevant and Memorable Experiences at Every Touchpoint, Nicholas J. Webb. The best businesses in the world begin by researching their consumers' wants, needs, and preferences tirelessly. The book covers what people want and expect from their experiences with companies online. 3. Hacking Growth, How Today's Fastest Growing Companies Drive Breakout Success by Sean Ellis and Morgan Brown. Case studies from high-growth firms such as Dropbox and LogMeIn are included in this book. By reading Hacking Growth, you can find out about growth hacking and how it can help your company's digital marketing. 4. Top of Mind, Use Content to Unleash Your Influence and Engage Those Who Matter to You by John Hall. Top of Mind will teach you how to create top-of-mind distinction by connecting prospects, consumers, and coworkers with a method known as U-marketing that John Hall calls U-marketing. The book focuses on digital marketing, but the same principles apply across all disciplines. Marketers, product developers, educators and parents will benefit from understanding how to use U-marketing. 5. Hooked, How to Build Habit-Forming Products by Nir Eyal. This book by Nir Eyal looks at why people connect with certain goods and why others fail. It also contains a 4-step technique in order to help create digital products that will attract potential customers and provide desired results in regard to digital marketing. 6. Ogilvy on Advertising by David Ogilvy. This book, which was published in 1985 before digital marketing existed, is still a must-read for anyone working in marketing and advertising. Learn the secrets for advertising that works and how to generate a return on investment with a copy. 7. The Road to Recognition by Seth Price and Barry Feldman. In this book, you'll discover why having a strong brand matters now more than ever before in history to not just individual entrepreneurs but their organizations as well. This book provides digital marketers with the knowledge base they need to invent their own digital strategy. 8. Lean Analytics, Use Data to Build a Better Startup Faster by Alistair Crowell and Benjamin Yoskovitz. Lean Analytics is a book that shows you how to use one core statistic to power your whole growth strategy. This book tells you how the core metric helps digital marketers make decisions based on data and always using what is most efficient. 9. Contagious, Why Things to Catch On by Jonah Berger. This book combines solid research with compelling real-world situations. It is an excellent resource for those looking to gain a better understanding of digital marketing. 10. Viral Loop, From Facebook to Twitter, How Today's Smartest Businesses Grow Themselves by Adam L. Pennenberg. Adam L. Pennenberg, an award-winning writer from the New York Times and Wired, gives a thorough description of how internet businesses were intended to spread. It goes into detail about digital marketing and how it affects businesses, both large and small. 11. Ultimate Sales Machine by Chet Holmes. The Ultimate Sales Machine isn't only about sales, as the name implies. It's also about scaling a business from all marketing funnels. This book provides digital marketing strategy insight to digital marketers and CEOs of digital marketing agencies. 12. Marketing Made Simple by Donald Miller. The author provides an easy-to-understand strategy for growing sales while also advancing your mission and interacting with potential consumers in Marketing Made Simple. The digital strategy for building a digital brand includes creating content such as blogs, videos, and downloadable resources that provide valuable information about the company and its digital products or services. 13. Invisible Influence, The Hidden Forces That Shape Behavior by Jonah Berger. This book is very useful to marketers at all levels because it helps you comprehend the inconspicuous variables that influence our behavior. This book has chapters on understanding motivations, crafting sticky messaging, and capturing attention with curiosity gap copy. 14. Digital Sense, the common sense approach to effectively blending social business strategy, marketing technology and customer experience by Travis Wright and Chris J. Snook. This book explains how to create a more engaging client experience plan for anyone interested in business. Here, readers will learn digital marketing strategy that includes creating content such as blogs, videos, and downloadable resources about the company's digital products or services for building a digital brand. 15. Digital Marketing for Dummies by Ryan Deiss and Russ Henneberry. The helpful guide teaches you the fundamentals of various sorts of digital marketing strategies and tactics in order to expand your brand's reach and increase audience engagement. Learn everything you need to know about SEO and SEM from the experts at BuzzSumo, including how to optimize your content for search engines. 16. Originals, How Nonconformists Move the World by Adam Grant. The idea-generating approach taken in Originals is a New York Times bestseller that examines how to encourage innovative and creative thinking. Grant draws on his experiences in business, politics, sports, personal life, and entertainment to show how to find the source of a good notion at first. 17. Hello, My Name is Awesome by Alexandra Watkins. Hello, My Name is Awesome is the most thorough book on product and company name selection. This book will provide you with ideas for generating innovative names, techniques for stealing excellent domain names, secrets for obtaining top-notch domains, and ways to get your brand off to a good start. 18. Hug Your Haters, How to Embrace Complaints and Keep Your Customers by Jay Baer. After reading Hug Your Haters, How to Embrace Complaints and Keep Your Customers, digital marketers can see a more positive digital marketing future. The content becomes more about satisfying the customer instead of selling a product. 19. Marketing 4.0, Moving from Traditional to Digital by Philip Kotler. This book from the world's top marketing authorities helps you navigate the increasingly connected world and changing consumer landscape to reach more consumers, more effectively. You will learn about digital marketing strategies in this book which can help increase your business. 20. SEO 2017. Learn Search Engine Optimization with Smart Internet Marketing Strategies by Adam Clark. Anyone interested in learning about SEO techniques and methods to rank on Google's first page of search results should read this book. The book covers a number of crucial issues surrounding search engine optimization. 21. Content Chemistry, 5th edition by Andy Crestodina. In this edition, the author has carefully evaluated the book's contents to include the most up-to-date marketing research, emerging methods and trends, as well as current standards. The book is a link between old and new information. 22. AI for Marketers, 2nd edition by Christopher Penn. Christopher is a specialist on AI-related marketing issues, and the book is ideal for anybody wanting to learn the fundamentals of AI and how it is utilized in marketing. You'll be astonished at how much AI influences marketing once you see how it's used in areas like YouTube suggestions, Facebook advertising, and Instagram stories. 23. Social Media Marketing 2018, How to Boost Your Company's Success with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Company by Stephanie Holmes. The book has an easy-to-understand structure with valuable advice on developing a bespoke social marketing plan for each company. It's a must-read for anyone interested in entering the world of social media management, and it's among the finest books on digital marketing. 24. Guerrilla Marketing by J. Conrad Levinson. This book is primarily intended for small new businesses that do not have access to large sums of money for a big marketing campaign. This book has helped digital marketers navigate the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing with over 30 years of experience in the field. 25. This is Marketing, You Can't Be Seen Until You Learn to See by Seth Godin. The book will assist you in recreating how you communicate with your target audience about your goods or services in order to create meaningful connections with them. The book addresses issues such as product positioning, brand storytelling, and effective communication with the target audience. If you're new to the world of marketing or want to expand your existing knowledge, this in-depth article is a must-read. There are just too many digital marketing books to discuss in this piece, and we've only covered a tiny fraction of what is available. There's plenty more for you to read if you're interested in learning more about digital marketing. So use the framework in the books to your advantage and make the most of your business. Which book will you consider reading? Let us know in the comments.